I would severely recommend coming to Schuster because they are a top-notch company to work for. They treat you well, they have good equipment, and the pay is very good also. You can make a real good living here at this company.
What really impressed me about Schuster is they know my name. And that is not, I know it sounds cliche. Everybody says that. But I come from another company where you really was a number.
The main things I like about it are the people. They're genuine. They give you a set task. You do it. No questions asked. You move on to the next. And I think it's a great place to work.
But there's a lot of other advantages to coming here other than making good money, and you do make good money. They're at the top of the scale, and they stay there. Prices go up for drivers, they make sure they stay up, above everybody else. But the other things that are important are, getting home every month, driving new equipment. You got a wash bay. When you come back here, you can go to the wash bay. They got 2 guys working in there full time. They service the trailers and the trucks on time and keep you rolling, keep you from breaking down on the highway.
They make sure that your truck is running properly. Whenever you think there's a problem with your truck, you bring it to the shop. They'll fix it immediately. They make sure that their drivers are happy. So I do like that.
I think what makes Schuster is teamwork. Everybody here helps everyone. It doesn't matter who your dispatcher is or anybody. You have a question, somebody will answer it or they'll find someone who can. I've never had an unanswered question.
Yeah, Schuster does have an open door policy. When I walk into the corporate office, they know me by name. I'm definitely not a number at all. And I don't know how they do that. I really don't, because I don't know everybody's name.
So what sticks out to me about Schuster is more than just they know your name. They don't treat you like you're an outsider. You're really treated like family. Doesn't matter about the color of your skin, because I have been in other companies where, we're really not one, kind of treated differently. But everybody get the same treatment here, period, point blank. You doing your job, and that's all they look for, do your job. That's it.
If you're a driver that is looking for a home, you want a place to go. Here at Schuster Company, they have a lot of trucks and they have drivers from all over the United States. So regardless of where you're living today, I think here at Schuster's, they can make it work for you. They can get you the home time that you're looking for because they have lanes that take them typically all over the U.S. So with this being a family-ran business with an open door policy, they understand home time. Home time is just as important as being out on that road making that money, because you need to be home as well. You need to be with your families. And I think when you come on board here at Schuster's, you tell them what your needs are, they're going to do everything they can to meet those needs.
Yeah, I'm very proud to work here. Not a proud man, but proud of this job.